So hello guys, welcome back to our new series which is called Java Programming Tutorials for Absolute Beginners. So in this series we will start from the zero, and after following this series you will become more fluent, confident and proficient in Java programming. So this is step-by-step approach. We will start from the zero and cover all the basics and advanced concepts of Java programming. So after completion of our Android development series, which is available on our channel, you can find our playlist of Android development series here. We have received a lot of feedback and a demand from the student that we should start the Java programming language. So we just have started the Java language, and now you will continually receive the tutorials based upon Java programming language. So why we have chosen the Java language? Because the Java is a very popular language. So it is based upon the basic C language, but it has gone a lot of improvements and features as compared to the C language. And this is high level, robust and secure language. And this language follows the pure OOP, that is object oriented OOP concepts. So let's discuss the history of Java language. So the first version of Java was released in 1995 by James Gosling. So the first version was released by the Sun Microsystems. So its first name was Awk, but later on its name was converted to the Java. Currently there are 3 billion devices which are using the Java language as a base. These applications includes a lot of mobiles, web, games and desktop application. So there is a huge scope for learning this language for either making your own application or finding a great job in the market. So there are 4 types of Java applications. The number one is the standalone application. So these types of application run on a specific PC or a system, like some kind of basic program like antivirus, etc. So the second type is the enterprise application, which includes a large scale application like banking application, where a lot of accounts, transactions and company details are handled. The third type of application is web application. These are used to make the websites and applications related to the website. There is a great example of LinkedIn, which is based upon the Java language. The fourth and the last type of Java application is mobile applications like Android applications. So Android applications are also written purely in Java language as well. So currently there are also 4 types of platforms for Java. The number one is the Java Standard Edition, Java SE. So this platform is written for learning and deploying the Java programming, like some kind of libraries, classes of math and printing and basic type of functions. Then come towards the Java Enterprise Edition. So this platform provides the base and the frameworks for writing the large scale application like handling large databases, making enterprise applications, making companies applications where a lot of details and a lot of data is going to handled. Then the third type of platform is Java Micro Edition, Java ME. So this is the lightweight and compact platform written specifically for writing the mobile applications like Android applications. And then the fourth type is the Java FX. So this is also a lightweight API which is used to written the internet applications. So let's discuss the prerequisite for this course. For this course, you must have basic computer science concepts. If you do not have such concept, then don't worry, we will start from the zero, and this series are targeted for absolute beginners. Then you must have a PC. There is no hard-coded specification for this PC. You can start from any kind of basic PC or laptop and can learn the Java language. Then you must have the internet connection because you have to watch and follow our videos. So what is the audience for this course? So all the beginners which are going to just start the programming language or have some kind of basic concepts about the programming language and want to learn the Java programming, they can follow this series. Then all the students which are new to any programming language can also join us. All the professionals who are proficient in other programming language can also learn the Java by following this series. So guys, best of luck, and I would like to welcome you in this awesome learning series and awesome learning experience. So I am pretty much excited to see you in the course, in the series. So stay tuned and please like, share our video, comment on our video and subscribe to our channel. Also share our videos because other students or your other friends can also join you in this series.